As you just click enter, the power tap, sharp, as the hot. I must greet you, Mommy Iwoga. Buonasera, grazie. Now I say no, no, you was your way, you big way. Way, you big way. Way, you big way. Now I say no, no, you was your. Way, no. You say no, no, you was your.
Scegli la protezione H24 di Bearish. Quando l'allarme scatta, Bearish interviene. Vai su bearish.it.
La pista is a big one.
Oh, that one I hear now. After Titi was so. I said, but we know hey, I was so. I got you my way, I got you my way. I said, Titi was so. I said, but we know hey, I was so. Got you my way, got you my way. I'm singing here. Share this video. This video I want to so go touch many people. I go drag person for this video. I go drag one with the cyclops for Spain. I said, nothing, man. Hey, I was your one. Alright, so I'll play music, Rich. Greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast who are most to talk national peace training. For those of you that are watching me for the first time, so you will know this is Frank Victor, the Umenwan, the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otutu, the social media Eniwa, the social media Akobisi. Runda Iran, you don't see Akobisi, but more about this man. Do my drink. I want you. I must greet you all with better stuff. First of all, you should know one thing about me for the social media. Whether Facebook or YouTube or TikTok or anyway, you will know me, if you follow me for years now, you're going to see I'm not in competition with anybody. Me coming on social media is not yet to fraud anybody. I not be humanitarian. I not be orphanage home. I not get foundation. You understand? If I see you, if you use my platform help, I go do it willingly as my spirit leads. It is not say because they deceive for social media. Say me, I must do the same thing. If you guys see him as a very happy person, they help now. Una continue on the clap for him. If you know big kita, we are sweet kita. That is many people for you. If you know big kita, we are sweet kita. So this social media is very large and very deep. It depends how matured, how smart you are, for you to know how deep it is. You understand? So for those where they say there be 100, 2,000, 1 million, me, I can never be 00. I can never be 00. I am the king of this social media. That's my title, that's my name. I never have to carry that name finish. To call the add name where on the walk towards. I walk towards my name. Or waking enogie, even in lage. You understand? The Umenwan. And if I speak wisdom. You get to my point now. Those way I feel when they misbehave, I flog them. If I flog you, if you change Umenwan to a muzzle, no problem. If I fight for you, I feel become Umenwan tomorrow. But for today, if I blast you, I feel be your muzzle. So what if you get problem, if you still call the same person will blast you, and I still stand for you, fight for you, you will call me Aproko Menwa. Now, so this social media be. You understand? When it's good for you, you will be happy. If it come against you, you will be angry. That is my broadcast. I know they stay for one place. Can't they give me money, make I not tell you the truth? Even though you be my papa, I will tell you the truth before you disown me. You get to my point now. That is me for you. Secondly, this mumu boy and this mumu boy and boys, I can call them boys with their wife. Plus the girl woe for her, not the wife. Wife go stand with man. Anything we go bring, make man not they happy. Wife will stand with the man, make sure say you not do him. A real wife, they help man, they build life. You don't they get as man, the Chris rich. If you marry your best friend, the change go do. The whole world go talk, say, yes, this man really married better woman. You understand? If you marry a young woman, the whole world go to the talk and say, this man wife now, a young woman. You understand? For this social media presenter, when they do marriage, now me, about with this man, now I start on, now I cast on. All my children begin to do marriage. That's why I'm their king. I'm the father that fathered them. You get my point now? Whether they say a cultural marriage I do, they say I marry, they do, or I marry cripple. But for those people who get eye for head till they see, they go see the difference between single life of Umenwan and married man of Umenwan. They go know the difference. You understand? Especially all those women, they go know the difference. Say yes. Umenwan is not a married man. In doings, it's different from when they were married. You don't understand? Different good day. Changes good day. Better breeze they touch me. You get what? If a man marry woman, we get peace. You go give the man peace. If you marry a woman, we not get peace. He go give you pieces. He go tear you apart. Who no marry will get us of mind. You will marry not get us of mind. You go to choke for here, no go walk. You go to chop up at the last Scobian. With this river. Now so this life you'll be. My life now for many men to take get sense. But I do saga, normal level. But check my life now today. As a guy, man will never marry, you don't take get sense. You do not pay bride price for woman head. Every night bass boost. When I video footy talk, running the fight every day. Bro. What you make see if you pay that woman bride price, you will still get that peace. That woman not get peace already. And pieces they give you when you're not a friend. Borrow leg wrong. You get why? Borrow leg wrong. You get why? Madam, man never marry you for house. They post you. They get solid face. And you say I love. Madam, why is me you get sense? Is that what you want for life as a woman? Now, Shamaka, you want to marry? You get my point now. Now, brain, they do things for this life. As it's different man, as it's different woman. Me woman, you now wise up. I dey see all of them now they confess for social media. How they do a show? How they take traffic when I come abroad? I say I don't talk puss. You know why? Now me baba with this man. Now I tell them what this social media say. Many of them when the traffic come on papa and mass sign control, they sign. The plan of paper. Those who their parents don't know. Some women did this abroad, their parents don't know, so they enter. Last like they got to know. Those who are not join no. You see those who are with their mama, papa, sit down. Carry them for hand, go give trolley. Sign for paper, say, carry my picking, go abroad for those show. Paraventure, the woman don't even know, say, and that kind of job. They go tell and say, won't go do babysitter. Now, me tell them, say, they use to do money ritual. For this media, I talk and say, your parents used to do money ritual. Now, this is a joke, say, na saga now. Now, they use my normal, they confess now. I be. Now drink at the drink. You know why? If everything we had to talk for this media they come to pass, I go to drink beer as Omozo where I be. I'm on to the shot. I don't first shot pass. I don't knock some words into my head. Make one take get sense. Those who get the sense speak calm and they work for them. Not be every man will love you say, I love you, really love you. Now very clear matter. Now you as a woman, I go use your brain. You understand? Prick the sweet oh. Now so to the sweet. No doubt. But do it wisely. Don't do prick, we go draw you down. Don't do prick, we go disgrace you. Don't do prick, we go frustrate you. Don't do prick, we go send you to a RIP. Now so see the before Toto. As a man, use your brain. No food sweet rich Toto. No best cook, we cook past Toto. I never see any food where I eat where I scream. Unless Toto at the bug, I go to scream, I go to vibe. You go film the ambience of the Toto, you will not say yes. I better contours na job. You get why? So as a man, look where before you the bug. Then you don't end up for social media, they disgrace you, they disgrace your family, they disgrace your parents. If you marry a better man, you do business, the business will flourish. You go there excel. If you want to get katakata or mago for your business, your husband will stand for you. Say, yeah, this was my wife. He go stand with you, say, this is my wife. Nothing will happen. This business must stand. That's what they say, two heads is better than one. But if you marry a young man, he go join you to frustrate the business. And this Europe for the happen. Always be a honest person. You don't get problem with social media. Do your best. Small thing when you see chop. No blackmail person. Not say because you want to get money sharp. Open business they frustrate people. What you will get for 50 naira, 50 euro, you send 100 euro. Because you do your cash. So now business. That kind of business when you know they last long. It must go down. Business na business. Do it the way you go to get your benefit for your side. Don't use and stress people. It's very important. Today I will mostly talk to business owner. All those vendors for TikTok. Vendors for TikTok. All those ones they sell clothes, they sell hair, they sell shoe, they sell bag. All those vendors for TikTok. And all those clean the yellow baskets for TikTok. When I call them, when they stay for this line. Maybe they observe, maybe they listen, maybe they forget sense. Many people for this social media, for this TikTok, don't make many of you put your money for the things. Things we do not expect. You think see as I the see me so that's why I be for reground. Whereby I face the see the way my face is fair because of iye-eki talk. Like maybe no, this one my future beauty. Make I put on that one just now and I go see and say I go change. Hey, this TikTok really get real camera. This one they white like who for JC so who born for JC. You want to know what say? You understand? Now, some people did this TikTok. But if I go to those business owners, I go to drag one after the other. I go to drag one after the other. So people did this TikTok just to deceive people, collect money. What they go tell you that they say, not be that they say. If you need to come around here, I don't want to share this video. Number one, OSAS collection. OSAS collection. OSAS collection. I get your number, I don't get your number, I'll call you. But for those who don't know OSAS collection, I'm going to share this, you go give her sharply. Before I go call her. You understand? OSAS collection. This TikTok will do so. And the current woman come climb up for these TikToks where they sell clothes for France. That woman, when me and that woman, no, they go 2021. Past 5 years. Why don't they know this woman? Not this was also one woman where they sell clothes for France. When I joy for France, they sell clothes. You go there just now. Don't tell me I'm that woman. You understand? Tell me I know a single mother she be. When I know a single mother, she don't get man now. And your husband I got a day now. She was a single mother when I know her. They sell clothes. Now recently, now it's not last year here. Now it's they help and they promote business. That's the only help where I feel help her. Because you know where I don't view her, I don't check her balance and say it's legit. If somebody with the America feel buy clothes for her hand, they send her go give her, the person get the clothes. Exactly what the woman buy. Now you get. And thanks to all my lovers, my fans will be saying they patronize the woman. You understand? But for reason, I know they don't make it now. You understand? As I realize I go bring people up, they will come show their clothes they sell, you know, those things I do them for them. You know. Now, I still get other people they still talk, we say, they say wig. We don't know some of the people who don't collect, who don't draw money for a hand for wig. They don't even pay, you know. Like one woman for prissy hair, whatever, prissy hair, yeah. One woman should draw for prissy hair hand, give the person where we say he fraud. She fraud. You understand? Most of the things we don't see for TikTok, nobody they give them for real life. That prissy hair, so my own wife don't buy hair for her hand. Don't be the hair which she don't my expect all they see. But I'm not dragging. They don't feel it because not my wife. You understand? Now when you fraud on that person money, now got to drag the money. Wait to go pay the money that year of that washing last year. Many of them like that. Many like that. Where we say, especially those who did for Nigeria, and they are mostly they do be that one, and which is not good. Me, I know what thing they cost for you to put money for business. But for you to use all the fraud people, that come the bad thing when they say. For you to spoil your business, it is better to advertise your business so that you go flourish, you go excel. But our women, it's so shameful. Say women go they do for one night for this half or this one. It's so shameful. Say women that they froster for this half or this one. Not be waiting good. Instead of we go to help those women say, I make my fans go to follow this woman, I want to help this woman, they buy things. So if that one, we feel they do for them, so they encourage those women. Now, good thing. Now, because of say my fans believe in me, they don't say Frank can never fraud anybody. Frank don't feel lie to them. Now, waiting good, never go fit tell them, say, this thing, believe me, this thing good. You understand? Make una go for it. Then because of that belief, that love who my fans get for me now, I'll come introduce you now to one woman. The woman now come the fraud now, they give una yama things. But I'm gonna still get trust from me again, no now. If I bring anybody come up again and say, help me follow this woman, help me buy this for this woman handle, nobody go want go because the one if everybody come out, it's not good. They could see the way we some women. This one not be men, no. Men are women now. The way they use their hand is for their business. They go see now Frank Umwenwan. They call the saga for social media because for their business. Whereas now then they use their hand is for their business. And what's not good with that one? I told you Okpa or Master Fian will hear as our ability talk. You understand? So business owners where they always come on TikTok do have that for myself. They're gonna shift near me. And I believe this one will be the last one we're going to give now. Because for today, I'm going to bring June and I'm going to drag and come out one after the other. Now plenty. Boom. I'm not going to settle anyone for SARS again. I'm not going to settle any matter for SARS again. Now, I'm going to carry on the comments of social media. Because they disgrace to make the whole world know now. I believe I'm going to like that way. You go order something for person hand. They don't give you money. When you never pay, you nobody go well. You dey pick up. They respond to cost 247. You gone when I got here where you can't be busy after you don't collect money. The goods where they pay you for, you don't go deliver. Is it fair for a woman, a wife, to do that? Who they go stretch hands to? And your husband. Any insult they come now, it will come straight to your husband and your husband's family. Now, this woman, make I bring this woman picture come out. This particular woman, when I received my platform, so I remove my hair when I see her face. Now she be OSAS collection for TikTok when they sell clothes. She dey stay for Spain. Longo, L-U-G-O for Spain under Bilbao. Now she dey stay. First of all, Spain, I first see how we bring her number come out. I call her first. In fact, they can write the number down. I was thinking they will clear. This woman, me I put the number for here first. I do video yesterday, see she call me, she not call. But I got her number now. And two number with this one. Me I drop one. Get why? She go receive call this evening away. Three, 4, 6. 3, 2, 7, 3, 3, 7, 7, 9. Film the ambiance, so maybe look at what me call the number. The woman hand. 3, 4, 6, 2, 7. Okay. I want to number with that one. Most people have a color. That's the way she bring. That's the way she fraud. If you watch me, send request. You come up, me you can talk. But on this number, I want to call her. +3. Good evening, mommy.
Adamo.
I greet you.
Yeah, Baba. Urato.
I'm not greet you for a okay, mama, what do you want to no more the matter, Dabi?
Meno. Imo Doris meno.
Okay, what?
Yo, Baba, kebuwe.
Alright, come on, what's on the way?
Emi. No mo bosunu. E voice me ladra.
Yeah, it's loud,
Okay.
not very loud.
Yo, Baba, ujuga me. Emi no sunu. Oh, where? That was last year. Yeah, around March, I can be a woman now, be TikTok. So, this a top no already net ne or we have it all. So, in our like so in my that is my patronize but already a May honor the be advertiser no down ukmowe which in a year oduku na tamage like abukmowe na. So in the select abuk money about 6 or so. So in that time, now when now when kiagba yeah send there you go get away mama we problem hero. Okay, gelegba ina send you go get me want send you go get when if you come here in a way no in a way no worry yeah me obo na where because again in when we where in when water so now where no worry or now where or wa be marry or now mama now wa ukmo be dey o this and then now my problem here. We want so na no need where ni wa vio no na. When if you're not with your when me wa mavo or when with them have no. In fact, ni Aproko mi ara we na send up more. And now my we ma work more we dey na go wa see Iwa if you're very so he make na be deliberate. Okay. Or you wanna the big call him or very now and he another month in one my problem here. In a way to sell it in a very gear. In fact, agreement to him my boy where in a viewpoint a salary and iye-eki, you understand? But I can't deny in a view upon €100, 150, 200 nirene a lady now. So now upon in a go or my said you come up I maybe getting me up more yeah. As of far mama we viewpoint no what in more upon agi jome it wa be like on a wa the wa be vioye or wa or ibe genia jane ewa. So from there, inado pay ni inado pay for around October. So he get pay for October. No, okay, na kave or set so gumewo. Or na set so gumewo yet. Or if set so gumewo, I the other one see that day. Inado pay only for around October. Because this first thing they May, ina finish only around June or be July. So another one he there, inado finish. Inado pay only around October. So may you finish in October ni? Or now that was only around 12 nigi go there all together. Cause he we not see ina igone. So only October ni may ya finish ne. And not time my what call level we any now sister Osas. He pay go for now. The ya you know okay they where ya send up mogume or wait €10 no mama. I now want my problem here. So that night, that very day, in the night, a baby me. So a day kegbe no, in fact, when a begaje, my night ambulance on a Hiroshima hospital. Mama no even call this hospital now where sister Osa said guije. Mo call where we now, we no soon. Even a saringa Akpaka, the imoto ina send a lady now. No make na get cause me I with Toma, in me what we matter. And now where guije, in a way, how far back in the Nukmo. You must say, €10 ni gueje, a kenijena, a network hero. Why, where now? Where mama, where worry? Or where Ukmo, where your man said, Munyanike, ye said, Emina now was touching her sister Osas. In Ukmo, may go where there just because of €10. Now I mean, rebosso, a Spanish high, which is maybe who deliver me one. Irigonia, yeah, when we me. Away, yes, send you money. Nana was so no way. And now we fast. My expected baby Nana will be well sit outside. Okay, but here now, when they away every weekend we will be now one problem. You know, I will can buy them as so a week out of Bagbera. Mama Yamareo, Eri, Yamare 2 weeks. Yamareo. Elma, we are ya posting a new more hair apostle. Or even Yamareo from October, another line November, going to December. And I don't say, or say, not by now, Lawoje, Revine, Ojane, Noriome. Ona do, you do, ona to Ariana, to Rene, Eri, Mechedu, Mobile, and yet we have more money, blah, 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 now we may. Uponi change was just upon packet and walk make a mistake. Una said upon go right wa or said uponi who wear this and that. Upon packet and if money will bow way. Who here online and now we need now we need worry that what change me. So why are you not lying? Area do honor the time money when you worry honor the milk with my money. No need no area cute money. That's why I met here. Maggie said he gets up or something like that. You know where matter. Me now I lock up. Only when you go out, be say come anywhere. 2 months here. No have look me. A lady now. Upon imamie nothing. Or we were on up time money on our way. A have a basis go about all the 12 close. Imam Yukmo. Or if bear out of the 6 no we have if you don't have ye neke carry on I do deke 8 wo boy. Sininya. You phone you call him. You understand? Or you pay our woman a problem hero. Okay, it's aware of an no guye gwa or when you ga we call him. And I will definitely maybe on a organ with Tamondi or you say no when we call him or if era wamina do we or ma or hame ziegbe because if you need ballon when we go in your way and your pay good demi but your power of your don't good demi. Everyone can be good then over every year agreement. Ah, and you not get down wamina we calm down. Yeah, bon we calm down. Giye to be etia wamina do tie upon irima. Oh, mama, la wo wo je. Obi wo pa ma hin. Ba make na legberie. La wo wo. O kan me. Ye ga we o we just because of tell you my say look mo giye. Wo pon na ge je be ni na me tu wegi. Ti ayo ti are we fieki. Ah, e pa egui. Eri a ma no han mu pon giye. Eri e wa we ne wi o be to re yo to re. Eri o ma mu pon giye. Eri o we January e ni han ya re. Ah, wa me na wa mama. Ge ye te ma ta ma we ma ni mu emi re. Every week, every 2 weeks, me no we me trolley. Or you stay in Nigeria for 1 month. Or if you are man, you work college man, or you college man, na woman, yeah, even here via gear. Out of 8 clothes, no, I cannot have your gourmet. Vereni, honor with a fog when that was around January. Or if you away by January ending, a man he travel near January end of the year. Or if January end, I even call it, where the man, what way? 3 months till March. I mean till March. That that family every man aware. Yeah, me man no do back even not there. So to cut the long story short, or even February on a call the man. Yeah, or what we do, I am now what my problem mirror immediately or kuzebude. So daddy that is our woman to calculate what my mama again where can maybe let's give you maybe before around 23 to 25 ukmoare la wo who send the area because ukmona person the worst part of it oh well wa send a message get woman now a reply wa call my phone February now do phone or mother gbe my phone or marry call up till now she did not even respond, she did not do anything. Okay, the message get wamena woman 25 ini man ona se no man return ukmore mari gwale return ego giye because ye man understand it unyime nunyina. Okay, pe me we ga wa me ye ri me go pa ne here return gi owo kawe. Owo kawe mu ka must to ziegbe ere ne here view po gi on here no madam. This thing since this October ake drage ukmobo ukmobo wo gba wo bo we. Okay, kerire doctor because of 10 euro. Mama, area ya we me. To cut the long story short, now you pick a call, reply a message, which meta mine and daddy meta mine again. Ego magi gwalo, we don't need any clothes from her again. Because the truth of the matter, this woman, iyera mi mero na ya dueki. Ni meke kia wagbome me na re Nigeria. Onicha. Because a kwana bere kona one onicha ave do not have ya me na ya dele se na dele abukmo na ya we marriage and everything a way out say issue me maybe can na mi o ma ego there we maybe ukmo o mi o ma ego uki ukmo no ma pay goji obosa so connection e na mi o. So up till now there is nothing from her, no response, nothing, but the final decision was that 25 woman return ukmoney. We are no longer interested in those clothes, not returning money. So, Ori say, they not he, Megige, honor ya gwali 1 packet, honor baloy, because a tipsa no ya send duk mogume, na ake tipsa ya send duk mogume. Then we maybe na no live video na ya send the this year, Ori wana ya ye tipes, honor ya gbe tipsa yo. So, every man atama we mama ya tama we nyetama ye gwalu pon, igo ye gwalo, honor woman berege. Oma ruji no mama na ruji negbe. In fact, oma ni dokie. Oma ne no imwe gbe goto. Okay, pe voice note ga wa me. E pa wa de gbe ti e bo ni yen. Ye ti enu e were gbe. So, I want to say, ne daddy na a woman na. Because our why, yeah, and I remember that was last 3 weeks. And I said to me, our why gugwa. Are you gwa why gwa? Our why we only na ka gbutu ma gwa. Only now where wa se kakabo. Mama, iye surprise we pego no working here. Iye na no gwa gwa na igbeso ya send up mo game o ta mi game my pay ye. Mana mi we pego ne o ma iri go gwe Ona we here say no working here more the third person. No here complaining me na. Da be ni magi buana ni e ka tama when na degbe sunu or okay separation between your boy. Iye here cholera, ye call ti opa no ritali. Only him now. When why you going the wa going na daze. But ultimately me go agona, we don't even hear anything from the husband again. So the final conclusion is that now she's not responding, she's not doing anything. The last time she responded was she sent a fake packet to us. You understand? That is not the logo of TIFSA. So the truth of the matter, where this lady, she's not ready. She said she don't want to restore my money back to me, and she's not ready to return my clothes. But which I don't want clothes again. I need my money. Because so I will say.
Thank you. What?
You know, but back everywhere.
Let me call her. Mommy waiting. Mommy Doris.
Mommy Doris.
Reach your side. All right. Who are out of national peace to reign? Mrs. Uyi Venture say she will not pick. She did the same to me and my friend.
Okay. Wabe you matori. Era why kai Mrs. Uji Venture where she will not pick. She did the same to me and my friend. Era why kai.
Ma good evening.
Good evening, my sister.
If I don't worry, Okona ime saga ruda TikTok on the street even. Again, we 2024. You know, said they go get 210. It's pay oje. Imami, oh, worry, Vena, or Vena. I can't wait. And when next month born, they say the next month I born. I started this saga tomorrow. She not see I can't give my cousin brother. Now I call me call her. She know you. Now I call her and say, you want to call your papa for Nigeria? May go put the money. May go put her name and this and her phone number for. I don't know what he call the shrine. Now this my call take call me. We dey quarrel. Why they do like that? Now say, I know the me and she know the quarrel. Wait, where she tell me say, the man bring money, say she go send something, say everything day. Now be small thing. Now I can't tell the woman, say, madam, bring my clothes come. If not, me myself, I go tell my mama, say, see what you do me. I say get mama, say get papa, and not cheaper. Then she can say, okay, oh, ma wait till before more 30, she will send her month can end. Don't enter another month. 2 weeks to give birth before this woman can fit carry my load come. And what is it later I bring her? I can't put her for my TikTok page. You of my TikTok. I can't write her say she be scam or everybody they run for her because that's my page. I get 50,000 followers. The video really go viral. It go viral well. Me no know say policy did for TikTok that time. Even on my video now, not they go anywhere again. When I come follow the policy, they can't just say now this is my video. But then she reports me, I don't know because I don't know how to do it. If this man, if what you fit threaten me, bring her, you tell her say you want carry a picture and name go any not carry now. She don't dey fear I don't know what my brother called that time. Now he scared this woman, make her to do that one. Now make her to bring the cloth come. Because that my phone I don't off. I use that to watch the passes for live video. If not, I for use that one come. I can't go delete the video. They still restrict me because of this wicked woman. Eh? I don't know they give her money to they show people money. I don't know. When she don't bring my clothes, come I tell her, madam, you girl say I get belly. I wish say I not get belly. The kind word one for they tell you. Now you can say, you ain't get belly. You see they make new trouble. And I say you get mad. You get mad to see when they come out for your mat. You forgive me because of it. I say, madam, I forgive you. Who tell you say now you? Now say I forgive you. That because I don't born, I make me who tell you say I get belly. You know say I get belly. Why the saga you? Eh? You collect my 200 something. No as I take work. No as I take see the money. I pity the person when you see scam sha. I would say the get person when it's strong for Nigeria when go help her. I trust the power officer Ghana.
My sister, you know the worst part of it, her husband go come out. I said the day when her husband they talk for you, I get the voice. Her husband understand they record them, eh? This woman now so she can't need that they beg my husband. Oh, I beg, I be buy auntie, oh, I be beg madam, I beg. Just tell her say me down.
The guys with man Italian poster pen that they bring who they put money.
I say her husband say she don't tire. I'm saying he don't tire me. Say this woman say not be me be the only person that day now say God. It's not be me the only person. Say he won't go report her to him mama, go report her to him papa, go report her to one of him brother.
Now this phone
I hear from that man rich. Now that day, that man
now this phone self. Now me and the woman take the talk that because I don't use the other of my Facebook because my WhatsApp my children picture day. This WhatsApp this phone my picture not my children picture not day. I don't know whether WhatsApp will go there for send and give a pan and me you see the guy is swear was this.
Which I swear for them because I not be lie. I tell her say all the boy yak fe no rotate third one. I not be lie. I not the quit they swear for person. This woman she go see her for body sha.
My cousin brother tell her say we not put a picture for video. We don't put her for Agbo. We don't put. I don't know the guy. I can't go ask my cousin brother. Brother wait for see that should I come for that over. He said the thing you enter mato. The thing you enter in mato.
Now the work. I go use and take clean everything. The one person go say you want go take my money. Where shall I live? Epa, let's say.
I want sex. I don't know how much your own bill. Now na 200. I want sex. I call it.
Now na 200 now. When say I buy for am reach around 1,000. She called the lie say not reach. Now 200 can't remain now.
But she don't bring the rest things.
For where? She don't see the cloth again. If like say she don't sell the as me they give her money, she they sell the cloth. Me they give her money, she they sell the cloth. Now she they find the cloth now. She not see am.
Make she return the money, she not see the cloth.
She not they return. Why? We return you go get thing, return look mommy. And it get when
that's what she see tell me. Oh, that's what she see tell me. Not like madam. Imagine no
last month 25 my time I get on that bed dead only magimu and it's true. No, we won't make a part of
my brother see tell her the same thing my brother cousin brother see tell her where you also say this in the omanari Oh, me na me ne boy. Me but not time again. No one me
He
na
went
me.
on there, he get one of his auntie that day where somebody see they talk, they saga them. But that auntie can't come up, say more wa beg. Say if to say now because of her, say she not go climb up, but because of her husband. Say her husband a gentleman. Her
What
husband
if
no
they pay me for this woman? If they do live, they go to sing Ita music.
okay.
Ita music.
Now
Now you they do
devil,
business.
as you say, as
Now
a
you they sing Ita
demon.
music. Now you they say
Demon.
people they use by that they follow you. That's why they go say people when I'm done here man. I mean the code here.
Okay, it's a one with more a life for here. That mean they come alive, come they tap nonsense. I say me they get time.
Area
They
which
say that
area women are not blocking me. The TikTok even in your way or not
they
you
can't block
allow.
me. Even
Eh
the first day, you make have a
you
one coupon.
not allow.
The second day, I mean, we can't swap coupon. In fact, me man got zena ga oga adeba. The kind time I want me, I wait thank God the guy. Me when we few money. He came no sinu. I will sit up here now the street left for 1 week.
No way.
He
You
did.
say
I will sit up here. He may I will come back to life in here. Me marry Zeya one year. Since last week, he may. This guy, yeah, I see
Hello,
that.
my sister.
go
You're
on,
doing
you can
PI.
say
You're doing PI.
any other receipt man. Any other receipt man. Yeah, you will give myself the
Come back to life. If a man is sitting here,
the man log in with TikTok in the man log in nothing for almost 3 weeks so. You met like TikTok even and because of this month today TikTok even you know what? Yeah, maybe me
Mira,
better
cariño,
100 viewer.
la
2
mujer,
like, 3
denunciala
like,
por
me not
supuesto.
post it. Oh, go viral. Ludo
oh,
kona.
women anyhow. What I Advana boy make begume. Mommy Doris. That I should come back to like me life me na me life for woman me
Down. What?
But I'm the part
Daddy,
I
thank you. West Baba,
Pam
you
West
my
guys.
sister West, God bless you. La follow many follow way back.
Okay, mommy. Yeah, we look at him. Not pa. You follow.
Now mute. Now,
Okay, I went my mute.
Okay.
you do what? You see what's in the toy now say. Osalobo as a man and as a woman. No gary who see. No gary on this see. As a day for man, as a day for woman. If you see this woman now, you're gonna say I'm bad wife. Now wisdom marry the husband and wisdom. That one will collect away with my hand. The husband and the husband family. Make una dey hear now. Now me want to talk. Me and my mom will get problem on one condition. That €200, you will yourself will return. You will yourself will return. Somebody if you use 1 million to draw 100 naira. If you take that 100 naira in a very wrong way, you go ready to use 10 million to draw 100 naira. You understand? Wisdom, Mr. Wisdom. And I'm going to call your family name. The one who's going to family where do I put you while I want us to give you that benefit of that. I want us to give you that respect as a man when we say you marry bad wife for us. Or go down you work, no mind it be. No you wa. You understand? Una yoji, una yoji wa. When I'm yoji work bia, if I'm yoji work wo. We no biara, you kura. We no bia towi, you go towi. We no go gossip, you no gossip. Ugani ko si yo wa. Egbe fuere. Wa wan ala down. Ugari ko dan yo wa. Ah, now a neck egbe ya mo yo ko down, egbe dan. You understand? So Mr. Wisdom, if my own is silly family we sagale because you go okay. That 200 you remember the 200 do akpole a family will adian. Because on no wapi na. This one on ho no pe. Osasi na on zuwa no pe. No. On ho agun. Abi pe di man ni gbere ni ku no wa. I check Wisdom bona. The good wife not a marry or yeah a boyfriend girlfriend mufwa. Ogbe se tori e go na sefwa. Oh dekun. Egbo grigin, egbo dogodo na. Ona osas aka egbo dogodi. Ona dekun Egbodo ogode. No muiwa. No si irairi. No kumaneo. No ya muiwa. Aga if you mugbo part 1 and 2. A video no wa finya mugie. E no bo usa na hina. E no bagari na wa atie. Ojebo ye wono. One like no deving online. No deving online. Who verify ke ademi online ka ba go money. Nka ba follow one up ni ke ademi online. And when them mommy Doris owo eruwegbe. Yes. If you buy something online, as you they buy, they collect ASAP. Or when I bank no here, save for no a warehouse. Or are they calling or dying? What is the need? It will drop where of no bear. I'm allowed. No, now, other no boy will not keep paying on it. It might make sense. That's my original Lord, the wisdom man with you. You understand? Or daily or other boy. 3 days of Yamudum boy, 30 days ago, bring up for you. Garo, and who my use a make it day your house. If you know you go, you don't want to land a clear. Or where you are a patient person. From your explanation now, you are a patient woman. He used it for that, use you for granted. You understand? You will not be patient. Okay, now I'm not being low. Or you're in tower, straight down. In case of next time, and for everybody who they listen to, all these for after many years, here are frustrating the webu next they go call the stress of your life. So go working for more, it's not working lady. Well, they pork me in social media. Sister, what you want? Umasi you yaga make it. You start collection ya make it. What collect it? What collect no collect now? What can I collect today? Who you had so body don't want your lot ya la wodo. Who ya get with train station. Ya be le condon with train station at the end of the day. Who will your SARS collection? Sister what collect it? E can we collect any say? E kion them we collect with logo. Only my say. Who ga gwa mawe. When no money kia se webu. Agmaye mawe. Uya heweko. Una ko bebe. E na tota nyawe. When they believe now where I say a chiffon. A chiffon is written as a chiffon one is in Yahine. Ever here to be giddy. Ever here kunkabi. Oh yamma. Sister Yahweh need boy. One, think about your life. It's very, very important. Either if you boy, this is part 1 of your saga. Part 1 where Osas collection, this is part 1. Or part 2, go. Understand me now? A clever gene, one could one equally know what the one. A young girl in the hustle here on the street, they don't do this kind of shit. Where no one was war. And I was right. When no one was war. A disgrace to be a girl. A wisdom. I had the wisdom on now. The wisdom now. This one is different. Another Jeremy. Wisdom now, yes, as you what? Wisdom. Where wisdom? Or one more, I put this way. Or where? Oh, I went and do what? Oh, we are God, I say. Oh, we are God, or how to business, or go far. Open and support her. That's the prayer of every man. So that your woman will also be assisting you in a little way, in a little way. Eh, we are roto. What am I? What? So I had, oh, what do we want to hear? Who does that? Oh, SARS collection. No, collect a care. Collect a care. Tabola we for national history. Iwa butter. Iwa be yere. Oh, ya na we. When you see Guanigo, we go when ya. You can't Guanigo, you have Guanigo, you might me top. Well, if you 419, oh, when I see me top. You don't see what to work top. Very wide is that wada. A big circle. Or wow pata. They can run, they also go pay some.
Talk about Jamie.
Then wisdom when you queen and one, it was a zua. Wisdom at all. We are, who know we are the boy. Why is it? Wisdom we are tea one hair and what benefits away now. Unwin or who service. Eh? On why woman who service, we are tea one hair. No water. Wisdom, how you to the bug this one? Why I can't go ahead? No, why I born this all longs as she ran. Bonamu boji. Bokbanya, you will be one. No such a good one. Why so I was a bodaze? Why so what you come you are? You damn. I am your wife. On I am your wife. I am your who. You be a wife, no you are. A wisdom. A family wisdom to what they are. If I only be family way. This year family way at the part two. If I only be family way, will. Ni forgive me family way for her now. One be halfway. Don't near yawa. You get the point now. So why down here honey? Osas connection ojebo yebo. Atakpa na no gyoyi. Oh God, you get my point now. Hey. Hey, what's up mbagana now?
If I picture go markless, when we picture not be your na go by.
Meme nok be no roa. Inyek be ha, mak be ha. Oh yeah, is bram.
The macho na markless. O block you there, ya tari page ogere ya mugwa.
Huh?
O tari page ogere video river.
Meme nok be no.
You block you. Yeah, like page ogere video no by.
Just do it.
Baba with the
They
smell.
don't block me wherever you
Baba like what the page ogere.
The
I'm
first
not
one
good.
was
Boss done.
Baba, I greet you.
Because if I beg I say, then me not there go jino, beg I every year ka.
you know, I'm Roba. Is that why I
Ari, ibiri ni. Wabota o. Oyako.
What up, man?
Itukwa kwa kwenene.
you are welcome.
La you gonna tu wasi ai ne a. Wagwalo wa ebe do. Agemage. Ai. Iri eye po.
Me no why ma te gogo.
Baba mo
Because
la dia eni ebe hia. Ami ono wai.
ima why
La
here o
sie.
sa sore so pa ya on eje.
Osase ogbe hun oni eni e.
Owe e
Okwo
po.
ba biana.
Owe
Oje
e
imi.
po. Hmm.
Okwo ba.
If
Iwe
I
na ina ba disgrace ma.
go back
Owe ma sa uta. Owe e sie ne ere wa wa first no wa ka wata mi.
Ima oni te gun ayo si ma oni te gun ma oni te gun ma oni te gun opa gun yin ino kina ga gwa lo mekin na wala re na we re me hun na mu here wa ka me ka wa da wa gbo mo wa no ke na te ko zin gbisi wa gwa lo wa me agebo akin utole 100,000 ari no gba le gbe ni agi ari kinu ma
no,
kan
if I be at you, if I me trust or the family.
Imana kana ma
If
ko
I
ko
the family girl at or you will not me trust it. A picture of I said I want the part got a picture not clean, not base, not beggar. See,
kenu gwa wa se na the right
picture
place
got
ebe
like
fi wa
that. Ni mama
ebe
na
fi wa jo
information pa.
ugmo so be charge o awele
A part a
o
picture
fi
not
we
like that. But yeah, get information there.
e picture na won ba re wa ni
On a
ami
mark
no
you want the pala page of a party, na mo da. On a
e be no
mark.
gina
My beggar say, oh, and then I am with it. I piri.
No pa me na na re. Me ne pa ka ban. Iye ri me we wa se because
oge na ma ge we be dio ni Aba like me. Oma say no ye egbe.
Ah,
You must tell me it's not your sin.
Egbe won me o. Ah, when you don't feel one way, oh, we so point me ma ge. Èmi o me wa o.
Mama, every time, mommy,
Aye.
every time we tell you, not ya. I
Oh,
Somebody agree to what
every time we tell you, not ya.
Mene ko be se ye no.
Every time.
Una menu wa mu unu no na we boni sana we ma.
Okoma ni but wa wo de no
Ojino.
ime wa de na.
alright. Fagbe wa.
Ojino.
Onjugori.
Ojigo. Explain, you explain.
Yeah, yes. Okoma ni wa
Lugo.
Wa o la wo go happy ma.
explain oye.
For not my protection, make a cool.
Yele ke be je. Okay, woman na ma, she's a demon. Even if say o na wa o pick. Ina abemi go abi na.
Mommy, woman na
yeah,
one after the other.
Okay, yeah.
Mommy, we go mess with math. Already we wa.
Ene ba na kina.
Yeah.
Okay, ya tie. Okoma ni
What ye baba na? No speak.
Baba na. When I can do a war one.
ya tie ba ya tie ya ku e.
Then later mo wa no be to know that maybe 5 days ago. Baba gbe oni sabo wita. Ara mo ti okpa ladian. Awo wetin e be kin to. E na wo we ge abun. Omo WhatsApp number e ba ni na wo kan nu akọlu mi asi gbagbe. Gbe mo ladian. Wo eni ya je kinojo e ra mo ladian. Wa ye ewo we de bresha win je mai. Na wa office mare bresha. Awe na we iye-asa. Uka moto yo mo boni. Edo wa mi awa me wa o me. Ya no me editi no yi. Because reading una me. Do you know wherever since ono area wa ya gbe si ora block me. The ita mana we na woman na ya ri go nu we. Go that the finance na wo ha mu e no ba na trace e. Okono wa ifiko. Ono nya no ba na ho are me. Eri me mi SS 5 days na. He block me. Me choose it to ni. We 60. Ina wo ma na wo ma be ga gbe na be ko be ayi hu na be no. Ze be me be se na ni are. Me ri mutu for 400,000 you. O yi kan ni. Ere ale. Gbona ka wari go ne. Ye go go a. Unwe wo wa ya de. Ogbe full goat. Ogbe fridge. Akpana be aro o ni ba we saboto na wotori no eji. Na be mi o. Na be say 5 years we ni. Awe luggage. O bi tali wanakun. 4 luggage €100. Ina we mata. We mana azali tali ni egbe mana ya gbe na bi egbe. Owe ne wa no. Na wo am gime. Owo ma no ha mwere 10 €10 ari ni. Na we problem ro. Ebe wa kisi mu na wasakpa o. Na wa to ina ya zabo ya withdraw. Gwa neme unu luggage no ri.
Inu.
Ideo.
Never get there for gone worry. Yeah, ina wala go gweza bo mwe. Na kegeti.
Daniel fi ego na yi.
Yeah, if ani wa kwani no. Eta fi be wa ye we na.
Explain beji a.
Mogi Mary now, my go out your house.
What you understand though? Omo are Spain we Italy man. Mo wa e Michael je stay you.
Business no, I think person.
Me David no bo ma me de Joyce no bo ma be Germany.
Oh, it's not done.
Me David no
Me do one of Obama the America. I met US. I'm now down money.
Me give you
that. All the way from US.
I know, but I'm not keberi or at least una si koma.
Probably I would that means my no ma go ma David won line
baby. Ye kini gwari. Una si koma na. Won so wa. Won mi no kan e go
Abe on so wa be bu na.
Bugu kan.
Ere ka bi na me ma ere ka bi so wa.
Ogun gwana. Me bu kan we o ka wu trust o ka deliver. Ana gbe ewe mi.
Eh,
Eh, we
Baba.
na gona na we na ge break no te ya me na. We na fu wa
Hey, why
boy ka
do
we
you
wi
do
u de le we wi. How no ye na.
Le
Iwe de
mate
bi
bwe.
beta gwa. Awe ye ma mu awe because of kawe. Oh, in fact, my
Ona
brother come
yaro
another
wa.
mother.
Okpanya bakin.
50-50. Who got so? Who
Okpanya
got so?
bakin.
We say.
Okpanya
Who
bakin.
got so?
Boni agwalo no
No
meme ti
ye
wo
na.
wa.
Ma
Ogo
ma
wa
so
be
wa.
agwalo me mi on da pa we dabi no mota na wa me gun e mi si. Ni ri e WhatsApp no bag me ni na me gwa we mi si. Wa ika
Yeah.
me ka we ita ma we iyen lo.
Yes.
But
I will
my
do
lo
that.
ebun weji.
Hmm.
Ma
No
na
me
ba
wa
bi
wa so
ita.
le.
Oji Emma. Iwe obi Yoruba, imagine wa on again na Elizi ati okay very severe. Ingenious stay. Wọ́n fún náà gbẹ̀gẹ́ náà dèrí wẹ́kẹ́wù wẹ̀ bùn àwọn nǹkan DHL ọ̀rẹ́ lò bàbá náà ọ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀mùjà ni ọ̀mẹ́mẹ́ èlédè ọ̀pá ọ̀rẹ́ wá ṣe tiẹ̀ wò náà ìsìn ìmọ̀ náà rè ná làsípámà ṣe náà ọ̀yẹ́ làsípámà náà again náà èfóònù iná gbẹ̀rẹ̀ dèrí fóònù ọba ẹ̀ náà dò wí. In fact, èèyàn ọpá kẹkà máa láyé ìrìn nìgẹ náà ní ẹnìgbọ ẹdẹrẹ amúrọ̀bá náà hí ọ̀nà náà ọ̀pẹ́ ọmọ náà wá máa ṣe ti àṣìyẹn náà ẹ ti mẹ surprise báyìí sísá náà yóò dùkùn ìwé mẹwàá gbọ́ àwa ẹ̀gbọ́n ọ̀wẹ́ máa máa wí kí àṣìyẹn ni.
Iyan ifa gba ka e. Iyan ragi e.
Ok. Ibo
La wa gbe me wo.
àmájẹgbé yẹn
Dono
máa
wa
wà
gbe me
ẹ̀
ba ya gbe wo wa.
àmájẹgbé yẹn máa wà ẹ̀.
U go
Oro
business.
wa
Ìdẹ́gbẹ́
ita
yìí bí
oro.
àwọn àlú ò wà máa ẹ̀ àmájẹgbé yẹn máa wà ẹ̀.
O ma ragi awa e. Ase gbe kan ya wo. Wa wa se ni a. Okpanya bakin.
Wa take risk gbe o.
Risky.
Lẹ́ bàbá.
Ake mana dupo wo wa.
Ọmọ me
Ona
ba ni wa de. This is first
ona mu he ge
business.
ma wo.
Wẹ́ ṣe rẹ̀ ọ̀wẹ́ ta àwẹ̀ mẹ́ dáìsí àwẹ̀ wọn ayọ́ mẹ́wàá yọ.
Wow.
Omo wa mu he ke
Ìjà o,
de mi.
ọmọ ẹ̀ tẹ̀sùn
Ima
ìjẹ́.
wa ti today.
Okay.
Omu no ma.
No,
Me
ẹ
ri
wá
go
fàgbélé
ne.
náà. This tẹ́mù
Omu he
kẹ̀kẹ́
go me.
this ṣé ni màmá dèmi náà. Àmọ́ ẹ̀yìn adẹ́. Èmọ́ mi èlọ́gẹ̀jì ni wẹ̀ta bàbá náà. Èlọ́gẹ̀jì wẹ̀ta hù.
Me ma ite fo ba.
Iye mẹ̀dẹ́ lọ́gẹ̀jì. Ìṣẹ̀ tí ó náà yàrá èpèjì mẹ́ni ìrí àbátáìsì ẹni àwà ní. Èlọ́gẹ̀jì náà rẹ̀ insist ìdọ́ ẹ̀. Iná rẹ̀ dènà pọ̀ nínú ẹ̀fọ́ àbí máríyẹ. Ìdọ́ ẹ̀yàn
Why?
ẹ̀fọ́gọ́nẹ́sẹ̀ yà mùgùn rẹ̀. Ètẹ́mu náà dọ́ ẹ̀.
Okay. Nime tawe luggage ni. Me ba ge Korean wari. You never take permission. Iture mu kan. No see mi no mo se ya gbe mu aye mi. Na wala wo gun memu e. Me ke get ya wa o mi to bo memu e. Ina wiri go nu we kekere o. Me wa zudu wiri o. O mo gbe ti o gbalegbe yo ohun to o igbe mi.
Ini me
Emena ka ba mu e o. Ina ki e. Wa no mo no luggage ni mi. Akpaka ka ho ni mu yuwe. 3 days ya yin ame. Ya gani be de nyoge a messenger. 3 days. You get logo whether the finance ya bati ni. Eri bi Torino wa kin mi na ina go. Ibi Nigerian we kin mi na ina go bi Nigerian mi ba kin bet mi ata mo wo obi mi lado me won mi. No wa ti logo e. Itama wa wo wa na wa ni kun. 3 days ya yin ame messenger. Awa me no go ni si ai. Ibe sun. Ina we si ai. Ona we emi no do nyo pa awa me na do gbo egbon. Ona ya pon ma wa mi. Ona block e. Gbo luggage. Omo e carton no mama carton ni nga mo yiwo. Deti ma ga ewu. Imula wa. Mi e ga eyun no apo ori 100 euro mo ri pa. Ami aga 100 euro ni me na ya no wa. Igo re no. Ha? Be Nigeria.
Out of 4 luggage, four luggage, more party.
Akpaka kan. Ti me ki e me ki carton ni. Do won amomi gi me ki e. O wa won wa mu wa gi mania.
Mommy, I dare me temu. E ave temu ya wa be de.
Igwa we. Igwa we.
Who this guy Oh, shame.
Onwe no be si e. O we ma so pa yan wo na ki e. Awo we dine ni oge post office. Iyan wo ni kini ni box ni. Wa gbe o. Ina do ki e iki opa awon ma win ni ki e npo give ma win ni ki e npo gi na win. Osaba we me bank okpa ni ri yo. Ni I receive a payment, a salary. The only matter postal evolution. Yeah, wait to eru. Wa yi bata ma gwa me. Ogu be adeku ya. Wo bo wa be ba yan ka. Ina ri me tutu eru. Me da karabiniri ba. Me wa se ba ni owo de tu eru na re na we o get gbe awa. Ogu won we bo ni ice camp. Ogu ya ma de connect with post office.
No, mommy, you're going on here. All those ones in a scam, you know. If so, you want to send a message, give me. When the last week, you were if my partner, even now with the say who, yeah, where, yeah, luggage, and that's how I said post me because where in my dress. Oh, you yakin. We're going to open it. Open it.
Me na open it. Me na wanna we phone or but 600 euros. Me get to 2 euro ya win. Ni wherever na be bo o we ni ankian we beto we ma won ni abedo deku owo be ti lo 3 days awo na go fun ayo awo na we ti aye
that's the the one la account we yeah when we account number you say wa no open all those things
ni go no pelo gbe wo 50 euros 100 ofo
many shame
Emi o be ni e wa be gbon gime ni ya
wa ti ere temu
mo ya report yan ni iyan wo ni ri my number ni ya open account for more than 26 remember 26 years awu ma gi number no kan ma go meto bi mi iyan be gbon ari o wa ye number account we yo me se kiri na open account e gbe yan o e kere salary la gbogbo ya awon ewe bonifico yo o be ri go yo me Why can near ya gwali no ba me be ma gele no ba ni me ya ki wa oni ya wa ze gbeggun o wa me na report yan imagi we mi ade awo yen e to wa bere awo was a group
open it
Mama, ye TikTok no pa ya la on e page vanya give me.
no
igore ni
E page vanya give me na.
Wa control yan control pa
you no pa ya la
Ko na.
okay
rekevi we nwa o we kaye ti egbe ne gbon ma wo iye le mi na ti yan me kwa
page ya la okay
Baba na ike page of ya.
rekevi we nwa ne wa
already TikTok abi okay
ini na hamu wana wa me o ma go we mi de waka mu nene o ka deliver wa keri go ne
eri me sa eri me ba wo me
no bana no gware ye WhatsApp na ona mama no bana ye no where
no bana o de me
you no bana roll line na 80 o ya end
yes only my get out wa be there oni two lines or me
iwo pa yan fa kan oni wa ya we space ayo wa
Igba mada e dey na wa even only ga gwa na ga dazele dey no na brag eri an wa so wa dey oni my money say
nya va gba we
ko me beta ngwa ti an paga ko
o pe picture we na no clear na e pa ma life page of ya
Life is picture. You make picture clear.
Oko ubi na abi
You want the picture, see the picture go.
send there
Derek ma ye comment section
send there
wa ge te gbe wo yi rekevi gbe wo ta na
de wa wo me you might on ere Kevin
no ye wa dey me o da me o ma go an
be no je na wa ma o ma be ana be no wa je na de ti ma fure ban ba ko le
mengu o mi to e trust e
we say
o mi to e yin wa ku yin una ma mi rin ma oni a
de wa wo
o ma ita ma me owo wa re amudu we do no we dey le siko i wa le
o sie akwe na de na o le gbe de na
e pa mo e comment section
OSAS 3115.
Oji an me be de ku me bo esta money go away o mi abi tamano be we ya be ge oni wa be mi oni be mu na wo yere ibe 100 ibe do 100 euro be asu we ge
worry na ba nya ni na
Agikpa.
bet you go my way business.
Anihi. Nene usas. Before
Uh-huh.
nko.
A boy,
Before
all
nko.
you call what? All you call what? Piece of a picture of me online. All call what I mean. What we were now.
Any hour go my way the picture I online. But don't no they to report me.
Ereke bi yen ko wa mi no we wa. Omo efo.
Very good.
Ah,
Eh, na
yeah.
Ah,
hi.
we
Yeah,
Mama
madam
Bella.
na
me no
clear.
gun we.
Ona wa clear
Banjo.
for.
Very
Ona wa
good.
clear for. Pa mi one o.
Eh, no.
Tai boy, ni na nwa wa no me no we wa. Don yin mu me.
I'm gonna start the
Ereke
cherry.
bi gba ya. Beni ay do se, ya ma setin.
I'll cook one pin all your zoo.
Goodness.
Ya be na me otun ni yen wo. Meje ni ere.
Ona go ko na dem or re.
I can let you.
In fact, I can't get kiwe gbinye nenia.
Ya
Reke
re
bi
ni na
otun ni
wa.
wo. Me me mo je.
Yo.
To pe ano. Ma
Okay, let me see.
eh
What?
o good to me.
Alright.
Ya wa be block with a new page na ni ke baba na. Ya block me only abeg block now.
No matter what that for others
I'm
dey. Mo
back
na
in
ko others
the
dey.
here.
Igwe wa mi ni ya
I
go
call us.
ahead.
I'm a toy.
Go na go we you okay send you gonna go where ya get when where they worry no problem here.
The love ya
O me ni bu
o
na
ye
o e
oro
ma
mu
pum pum
ya.
pum pum pum.
We worry
O
problem
me ya.
there. Yeah,
Wa mi we. Wa mi wo go no di go.
What
Go
they
ni
say we
osu we.
were like Baba no so send you we picture ne. So
Eh,
send
E
you
go
a
na ga
picture
send me
ne.
picture go.
igwe
E
we gele
picture
wa
to.
pa e.
What is you like no one lily we nike ware o ma ke no wa mu ke de you go pa wa ya mu ya. O ma go pa wa ya mu ya.
Okay.
We wa bi ni na ba yin wa we say na no na we no wa bi ni na ba.
Ma se era me.
Mm.
Udame sister beauty ta. E unu yin ebe ya eme. Vi meta ma ri mu mama wa ma be ri oni wa si e o ya ware o mi na ware wa de ba e.
Yeah.
Na wo
Mama,
ma.
if we are going there, yeah, day 2
Me. Igwe mi de go e is going to 1,000 e woman na.
U ba mi o
Yeah,
pa.
Mama, we yeah,
E
what
na ba
have
na
you?
na.
Yeah,
Ti me ta ko na ne ha.
you
Moja.
know, because again, that's one suspect. You, mama, no worry. We're posted. Oh well, oh hey, where you know, say when I post where you go your account or tia no Italia post up or you know my man not in web.
I wa ma gu me gogo. O de so me akati me oge Nigeria. Oni me ya gogo na ni me na zudu na ga wa me ri de yikeke. Akati Nigeria woman na o send the egu e. Oga another name.
Yeah.
Because
Well, yes.
what if not?
Yeah,
What
na
if
ile
be?
ya kante Nigeria. Ile ya kante Nigeria. Ile 100 ya kante Nigeria. Ina di 110 yo account poster pay or Italy wana. Ile ya pay never.
Okay. A woman
100.
no. Oh.
Mama give me ye bi me we se iya we ero to ero.
Okay.
Se me
E wan boy.
e ma we yo.
Criminal. Ọtí no na nga mẹ́tẹ̀ lórí wẹ́n náà yẹ ní àwa ego ní àwa àwàlágbá ẹ̀ yóò wẹ́sẹ̀ bàbá nu àná mọ̀.
Ma clear for.
Wà á bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀yìn náà rẹ̀ ọmọ nu ọmọ
But we awo awo na ma be mu gbe.
Mama, ìyẹn wo bí ọkàn kì í wékè lọ. Ní pátá bàbá mẹ́wàá. Ògèlè fọkọ̀ bí wọ́n ìwà kókè 1,000 yọ̀ wọ́n bọ́ ẹrú pọ́n. Wọ́n ó ní máa dé yọ òde ìdè mọ̀ wà kí wọ́n ṣe ní sinimá kì í ṣàgà wẹ̀ yìí tó lè máa wẹ̀.
Iwo ma no mo mi gima. Me aba supon iwo re
Wọ́n
re
dùn pọ́n
owe
1,000
ya.
yòrò wá sí ayò bọ́ ma. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mẹ̀yẹ mẹ́rin ya dé ní ìwògbọ̀n
Omo complete gold gimele.
Igwe eya ni gwede enika gwede ona be send egu me.
Okay.
Ona ya oka send sogun me wo ya.
Okay, màtó yà wẹ̀ wá kókó yọ̀ bọ́.
Oka send sogun me.
Metegu me share wo.
Encouragement ni wewe te ya dowe.
God bless you, Jane. Ona ma. Yetu wa eh. Ibe na ge Emily si okuze bude.
That first one, you're stressing where?
O ma stress me o. O wa send it.
I want to stress him. Agbota.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rekabi.
Ya when the guy
What's
ya
no?
na ka de ni ya by
Egbo
4 5
wa what's no?
I will soon read. They will say,
Eje, me be modu na de.
I hear Zavoku, I carry you in your Zave. When you want to have information, run a very as the boy. I want to have confirm family information. When you have my family, you can better. Uncle, what bed you have glad you.
Idie mo ladin.
Yeah,
When I do,
you have information.
when I do
I will
be
go da
Facebook
ya
na.
mu. E o sa si ki.
You want?
We tell ya unu egiri. A woman na ma wa ta ma gwa be na.
But someone with story, I want my GC, they not soon again in Italy. I want them, man. You will, but I'll come and kick it with you also.
We akwe for.
Oh, well, when we are going of your car. Yeah, what about your car? Oh, wow, we're not good at 30 years now. Give your car, but you may say, can wait.
On a sie. Yi mo si. O ma call la ni me. Ibi call go.
Yeah, on your tala.
Ido study ere Kevin gbeso be mo message fi o wa. I reply o. Ofu. Yet you me. Ebi wata my we reply. You have a gwegbon.
Big woman.
Ogoji. Oge wa arewa.
Guys, closer.
A page when you should talk on a report a page. I'll be there, Nick Ben, you know. Man.
See, not the woman with this. Okay, now. You know, the mother day.
No.
Hey,
Annie. Hey, well. Hey, look, I'm like about you want no job, what they want.
Yeah, worry.
Enye ni ki enye.
Yeah, like na no ka post by here. No ka mula David. He deleted the video on the page or give viral. Better you know don't delete it. You know
Okay.
TikTok now where violation rule and not delete it. Okay, page my deck with bike like you do that of bad.
Yeah, you know. Og you that one
Or
viral.
report yabi.
You know.
Reggae.
You know. A page ogo kan bi awu because I don't know when working am ege odo agbe ni me ege ya ado ke nonsense ya e matter. According to my brother about where he me obo he busy.
Okoni me lucky we gani me wa be fi on social media we gani me ana. If not, you wa when you am me page me I want me afia for even ya no dey go square.
You don't know yourself from the square one. You reach there.
Iwa ni go no ba o ipa o bata gwa wa mi enu fe for when no ayere page to ahie fi me we ni ya wa me page ni no dey go so one.
Yen ti yan kan.
Yeah, kan of your maka me no wa mi o.
I won bu wa ro.
We no that that me we ni e uni e ma. The page we na rudai na page we be.
Ti on wa ni ka bi na Nigeria. Always save me. Oh, via we Holandisi Ladian, we lazy different types. Me no wa be gbin Ladian na we give ani adewo. Me worry. We mo anywhere. Mommy, but I the real person. Mommy, I the real person. Me worry. Ono wa disappear. Boom. Oh, mommy, kole. Gele wa la cook money. Kedo ya de na we me. Omo me wa gi.
Yeah, man.
Nearly every 10 days wa in Nigeria.
But it's
I
one.
I'm an person as if in banya ha go at
someone they faithful. Me radio our war right from that time I in eki wedo na. You understand? Enya go to but we are here warehouse.
Well, I follow when with the page even.
You follow way back.
Me ma o be arebo be even Emiliano na yina o me kira na de me bet doesn't price you know. Ibani abiya ya ni mu fugon ga na ya ni kin.
Yeah.
Open market.
When the mama Jenna, mama na for example, mama can land this working jewelries, making to a parking a go resource. No, you make a reference. I say, ma, patronizing the master.
Yes.
Every done and I go down at Davy.
We done.
We
On
done
me research
material.
okpa no te ba bi aye me do YTV connect on me ya we water resistant no. Iye ma bi ngwe na dia.
Epa abia pa mana kyogwe.
Eri
Double
me ga gbe wo ni.
Where say,
mana
Papa?
kyogwe.
Where
Were
say?
ken ye ka vi ya bi wa we o wa
Say,
gina o do yi.
where say?
Oh, o ba do lo botana. Ngwe akwa ino. Gbin o. Gere.
Wato. All right. I must greet you all. The women don't talk their own. I talked about the last. You understand? The way ring ya say better. This is part 1 for Osas collection. No color take here. You understand me now? Part 2 will still come up again for part 2. On the right, you can go. You see, from the beginning of this video, I talk about our women with the scam people, or the name of still the same market for social media. You understand? This one are number 2. Last year, I bring Prissy hair come out. We get for Nigeria. All those ones they say red rubber hair, they say not human hair. You understand? This one are Spain here. It is Spain. It is for long for Spain. You understand? That is woman. This one is do this coming so in with your husband. So I don't want to for what. For this woman on, it depends now. I will first of all remove this your number of my platform. I just not my platform. Then let's go straight to the another topic. Because this evening we'll talk about many things. Whenever come out, I just want to bring all this our women down. Maybe they're going to discuss for Ishas. You need the platform for senior men. You understand? So I have you because the one I want to do now, nothing will go like that. That's why I'm going to just relax. You understand? So that I continue my program. You got to my point now. All right. First of all, I see a lot of videos which is yesterday about enogie and the wife Golden and this small boy woman for house. This boy woman for house. We do really like snake waste for the native pots. What's it called? Domogu and the rest of that. First of all, let me go to enogie and the wife. You know, say enogie wife and enogie. Any little thing they let us want the cost person picking. Iyan go ati ebodo yo wan. Iyan go ayo omo ya ge wan. Betu ani ya no ne magbara wo wa. Wa da we ho. Iyan go ayo omo ya ge wan. Iyan go ati wan agan ma bie. Ewu mema. Iyan won be side wo wa. O ga ta iyan gbe. Iyan ga so egbe abalian. Kekere na wo yan aba. A 419 foundation or pretty social media no ya fraud my room. Only one video now do that day. You know, kind of one so na agwa. Ubona guya fi guya mo se. Iyan fi we na the top pass. You go feel on top, you go feel like say o he yagbada you we na egbe na ma ho e. O si agbada you we ewu na o yagbada ye egbe na ma sa meji. O to e media eba mi aya sile iwa ya mo go di yuru. Eba mi aya mo mi ebo yuru. Emi aye lala emi sango ya sile yuru ni ya wo no. I don't understand. Allah okay. Oh, come on. No, you go me. No, you go me. Now, first of all, a women boy. You are a boy. Are you a boy? Let me to say you be owe 300, you be owe 500. That's not my business. Okay, when you ya deceive avec on est good ho. You know, avec on est bon ho de avec on est ravi à guia de bi aga. Il ravi à san naturally moi job na ba bi aga vio de gere. Do gbasago na gbeba ya mo. O ma na bi go de working na de. Ni vie ki 30 you hene. You understand? Ni même ni arranger igbe aga o. The family frustrated, father rejected, community abandoned. You have very bon. Those are the people that's clapping for you. Understand? That are praising you. Yeah, boye wo wan boye. Ne wo ti agbe, oya wan egbe. You understand now? Ne wan ti agbe, oya wan egbe. Edo ya pitan. You get my point now? Ewi, ya yeta we ta avant. E men and women. The obuna, o masokba. O kan ro live video. Ona ati ationsa. Nori nora lawa. Listen. O kan wear live video. If you na make noise. O kan ati ationsa. Take Nora inside. Ationsa, take Nora inside. You don't get it. A last born word now. Let me assume a last born word now. How can you like bodelawa? You understand? Your own last born, your wife, now they call it last born, to take our own senior sister enter inside her house. That means of you when not doing Imaniata, is he an bekono? Ne Nora, nor yet your salawa, or ne Nora mwet your sari, ye cannot buy yeki. You get my point now. Or can I work nekwe to soto, ekwe na to tanya or min knock back on ebie. Or min in way knock back or way be. Or what did the body shame me? Did they body sharp me? Did they body shock me? A more woman, a ball. I will see you in more okpologbe. I fear power. Do now me go more carry talking all surgery. In when you my brother. Only you that's disease. I didn't warning. That's a disease. A remnant, you know. Obey Papa Jiro beg with the Roma. You got my point now. A more when a iye-eki. Ya was I say. No give okay bene edegbe edemu. Some say no mind the way I see here. We na gwana. Enogie wan batu. Ijo some say ye kin be wari kin ikiyawo. Okikiyawo. E wo to market. Ware social media wa vano. Awa tenu working. Yari juwe le otu market. Yari juwe le ki otu market. Very now a saga the last 2 years. Or zero we have here table ni you na for the past 15 years. Le otu market. Ni you na kiki yawo. Ijuwe na ye tuwe. Le otu market. Emi na fike ye enogie. Iyo sawe si na mo weyo. No use sawe se gbete bo we. No wa pe. Ake mi go sawe se we marriage. We baro ya mu yo sawe se. We baro. Va demi lare. A bad yo sawe se we le bo wa. No do ge mi la na deri. Na ya we marriage. The happy drive. Second utagba. Gbogbo yoko. No sawe se bo waji. Osawe said basha for good 18 years. Obu. 2 flat no muyoto. Yole roof it almighty maintain the back flat. Eri ya si like front flat. Then agwana. enogie we was how say how you bonere according to them allegedly because my wife have you born is scam. It's an analogy. Where will you bonere? Ekele you way a boy ro. How ya see a very dark man. Oh, fear borehole. I will say. Oh God. Also no one go ya bet where everybody borehole. Am I a baba na baba people nobody baba me? Hello? Is somebody hearing me? Enogie anigo ya di moto dare. Iye bi ogwe kuku. Pastor Chris Egmont. Evazi Egbe, aka Le Kuku, just like that. Look my water. Anyway, also, anyway, also is social when mamma you were done, you know, beg media. Now I see I'm more work mono, or I'm flat anyway. Udagewe esuga we your bonowa. No me way, not times 10. Everyone also must believe on ebo, iye-eki ya deri. I have a very good testimony to you. Luya ewe ebo mi no munoma osioma koto. When you were when you may go bose to the extent you na mudame a friend obo. Obo is a you ukuni ye wudi me ya deri yeki imaye dero here. Instead oyi na deri yeki ugbegbo agbakwe anso agbo yo gbogbo. Obo ye you ni who you money or not break your heart. Unknowingly to the obo where you were for the love in it. At when you your mercy, or you break a heart. Your mother was having a heartbreak from a bow. Richard knows that day. A FRANK UMENWAN. If you are more job, if you are not doing the dates, the Facebook you pay. You go your local Facebook. A Naja wash. Elvis Edigi, aka Naja wash. What book or you go? Naja was a native daughter. Or you enogie. Mekela TikTok me bo wane. The Facebook non ma where you. He made over with Facebook. He made over with Facebook. Where the Facebook make Nigeria adebo. Who might post one toilet. We go no ball with Facebook money. Bet what you go 01. 00. We no gas. 01. And I give my time. Nemowa. We governments. Now let's come to abroad. The Mamuwaji. 01. With the Adru. 01. With the government has. 01. No go mu yuwa. No go mu yuwa no koko. Wa lori yari. Ave mi teme. Ave mwen. Ala pata busy. Ordinary one room. Rent in the webo. We are never plan for future. Never plan for tomorrow. Oh, wa give amen. Wa say brother. Unda ko give amen. Tomorrow is set. You still back to the streets. You don't plan for future. If you buy one, you give her one. If you buy one, you give her one. Or we any way any. Why we 60-40 be a big guy? Or before ban. Imagine. When we are say a recharge no your surgery. No name one. This same women clapping for you, glamoring for you now. Or some say who from what? None of them take you in the house. None of them take you in the house. The person who work back with that the buffet. No eko cake bina nezogeri. Na eko babik bina nezogeri was the one that bring you in. Umari ya rezo video akwe. Wa galavant na. Wa galavant onimo. We onimo. Wa onimo. Wa onimo. Umari go down. If you know you dig, well down akwe. And I know a camion via end. Oh, go on, bijou. Oh, yeah, shawo. Go and think. Eva, no, what in my beer? Yahoo, a bonnet, I'm going to social media. Or more down. When no beer, I love my mother. I can tell my mother. After I got my mother, I love my mother. Oh, when no tell who you want to make bijou my joy for the way. My bog bijou a video. When you're here, I na ya kyok nya here na. Omo no ma na gbi. Abi omo. Tu mami no te matama. Ni tini gbe makere. Wo nwa gmonjira. For your mind you the rain. Unu you boy ya ehun wenu krebe bona. E fast in when we believe we are love enogie. Abi enogie fast. How many of them not just volunteer you work where I will give you documents. You don't know actually been you got a bid way. Yeah, I will contract marriage. Yeah, I will now actually be contracting way. Go have dirty way. In a different way, I may be very good. Only assertive volunteer no don't because they know you where who are being depression. You are a betrayer. You are a betrayer. When not on well I will boo. Not that but on my way. When you take be agbe omi jena. E when you know you born no let go ya fe. Don't go there no. You better pass me very well. That's true. If you don't know, make I tell you now. You better pass me for stupidity. Because no matter anything. Igbe zuo. Igbu come. If I no matter. You get my point now. If I no one man. Oh, come you right up by. Oh, and that you have live at logger. Okay. Oh, I have now. No girl, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Warren. You go no have a me in a TikTok. No ya woman. We are dead view ye TikTok. Number for that 2000 for the wash you. 2000 for the wash you don't give 3000. What maintaining fake life? What maintaining fake life? Just to be on top. What maintaining fake life? And the people that have sense will go to your video that you upload. It will not get it wrong. They could have made a mistake. When you now upload video, will be on your view. Only few people now view you. You cannot imagine you go live. You have 8,000 people viewing you. You drop the video. You are not up to 20,000 views. Where will the 8,000 people? We are here. We are here. Everything our brain. You will not know all these things because women win. You think you deceive people? You will not deceive the fool women, those single mothers that are fools. Doesn't know their self from their left from their right. Not all. Those ones that are fools inside. There are more intelligent single mothers out there who know what you are doing, what you are up to. That sees you as this one just they play game. Maybe we follow on the player. Maybe we play along with them. Many women they play along with you. Many women for this abroad they play along with you with the game where you play. One of them in our accounts. Yes. They know where they spend their money because they know how they get their money. Reasonable women for this abroad. Here the play was here was one here. The record you wear. All you really was war. Just like again, Monica na social media na abe GPC na record Monica. When you are deliver many women make Monica again. The same way some women are still on your cage. Me no go sagam you. Me no go those kind of things. They go to fear, they go to shake. Me no go sagam you. Now those kind of women they clap for you to say, and not give man I mean no give fans. Those are stupid set of people.